Well guys, there they are. Total installation probably took me no more than 20-25 minutes. Moving door trims, putting door trims back on. I used the opportunity to clean some of the old red dust away from inside the car while I was at it, and got these mirrors on. And you know what, I'm pretty stoked. Okay, they're probably not as attractive as the factory mirrors. Well, they're not as attractive as the factory mirrors, but they're not designed to be attractive. They're there to be functional, and you know, so far I reckon they're bloody functional. I reckon they actually do look good. So chuffed, absolutely stoked with that. I was having a problem with the exhaust gas temperature gauge until recently as well. I've now got it working. Pretty happy with that. I don't know whether it was a stupid mistake on my behalf or what, but I left a wire disconnected somewhere in the front kick panel and replaced the electronic brake controller because the old one was stuffed. Applying maximum brake pressure every time you even looked at the brake pedal. So that's replaced. Towing mirrors are on, and I'm stoked, and I'm going home for a beer or a wine or something. Going home for a drink. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Bye.